Congratulations on the purchase of your De'Longhi Combination Espresso and Drip Coffee machine. Let's get ready to set it up for its first use. Take out the manual from the top. Carefully remove the machine from the box. Remove the machine and all accessories from the protective packaging. Carefully remove any protective tape. The accessories which have been included are espresso coffee filter holder, 1 cup or 1 pot espresso filter, 2 cup espresso filter, coffee scoop and tamper, water tank for espresso, permanent gold tone filter, carafe for drip coffee, and anti-chlorine filter. Let's begin with espresso. Remove the water tank and fill with water. Place back in machine. Plug in your machine. And turn it on by pushing the button on the side. Place a filter in the empty filter holder and attach it to the boiler outlet by connecting and turning securely to the right. Press the Coffee Hot Water button. Wait until water is delivered. Then press the Coffee Hot Water button again to stop the flow. Repeat this process 3 more times. We will now continue with drip coffee. Open the filter holder door. Pour the water into the water reservoir. Then place the carafe onto the warming plate. Press the on button to start the brewing process. Cycle through the full amount of water. Then repeat this process 2 more times. Your machine is now ready for normal use.